In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive task list using Google Sheets. Have you ever wondered how you can make your task list not only functional, but also visually dynamic as tasks are completed? Well, today we're going to delve into that exact topic by adding some interactive formatting to your task list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to automatically change the appearance of your tasks when they're checked off, providing a satisfying visual reward for your productivity. To begin, you'll need a simple task list set up in Google Sheets. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and create a list of tasks in one column. And in the adjacent column, set up checkboxes that will enable us to mark tasks as completed. Once you have your list ready, we can move on to making it interactive. First, let's highlight the column that contains the list of tasks. This is the column where you want special formatting to appear when a task is completed. Once selected, head over to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, choose Conditional Formatting. This tool is what will allow us to apply different formatting rules based on conditions we set. In the conditional formatting pane that opens on the right, we start by defining the condition that will trigger our new format. Look at the Format Rules section and choose Custom Formula Is. This option allows us a lot of flexibility, enabling us to set conditions that rely on the state of another cell. Now it's time to type in a simple formula that will determine when the formatting should be applied. Begin by typing an equals sign, followed by the cell address of your first checkbox. In our example, let's say it's B27. This cell address refers to the checkbox associated with your first task. After the cell address, type another equals sign and then true. The logic here is straightforward. When the checkbox is ticked, Google Sheets considers it to be true, and thus our condition will trigger the formatting. Next, choose the type of formatting you want. This could be changing the text color, highlighting the cell, or even altering the font style. Once you're satisfied with the way it looks, click Done to apply the changes. Now for a moment of truth, go back to your spreadsheet and try checking off a task. You should immediately notice the change in formatting applied to the text next to the checkbox. This visual cue not only makes your task list more engaging, but also helps keep track of completed tasks easily. And there you have it. You've just created an interactive task list in Google Sheets that visually updates as you complete each task. Happy organizing!